Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall Web3 market so that you stay informed in the world of crypto. Guys, today we're going to go through a few different bits. We've got the newsletter that went live just a few hours ago as well. So we've got all the technical analysis of that. We're going to be having a look at the altcoin Say and the network as well, which is mentioned on the newsletter. And as always, we're going to be doing a live trade over on Blofin, guys. So let me know in the comments right now. Should I go long? Should I go short? Let's do it on Solana. We've been trading well on Solana. Let me know in the chat. I think Solana's around 155 now. We can actually have a look here on the markets page on Crypto Saving Expert, guys. We've got Bitcoin above 65,000, 65,700 currently. We've got Ethereum up at 2,600. BNB still below $600 there. Solana now over 150 at 155 as well. A few other mentions here. We've got Tron is actually slightly down in the 24 hours. We've got Toncoin up at $5.30. Cardano, not much movement on the 7-day, but nice on the 24-hour there. And a few others there, guys, as well. Who have we got in the chat today? We've got Hugo. Hugo, is amazing seeing you. Thanks for coming over from Netherlands. Hugo came over to Zebu Live. We had an amazing group of us there. We also had Tim Tam Tomo was also over at Zebu and Wizard of Ol as well. So it was amazing, amazing few days. Really had a good time at Zebu this time. It was a chill environment. It's good to see the UK building. Good turnout. Stephen Bartlett talking on the Friday was amazing. So shout out to Harry and Jolly and the rest of the Flight Free Zebu team for putting on an amazing event. We've got Wizard of Volt saying I should go short. We've also got Sammy T in the chat as well. Sammy T is one of the members of the new CTO of ManBearPig. If you haven't checked out, what they're doing, they took ManBearPig from, I think, around a 20K market cap back up to 100K. I think it's around the 50, 60K market cap at the moment. But the community CTO, they're really working for the bags. So this is something that I'm keeping an eye on. So big shout out to Sammy T there as well. And we've got some more meme coins that want to get mentioned. But we will get over to that now. But let's go for the live trade. Let's go over to Blofin. If you guys are looking to trade on Blofin as well, no KYC options, make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description below. And you may be invited on a Blofin yacht like I was a few weeks ago. So shout out to Blofin, guys. But let's have a look. Where have we got? We got Sol right now. If we go over to Stonksy, let's have a look at what Stonksy's saying. So this is Bitcoin. Just before we do this trade, we can see, let's have a look. Some of these trades have been absolutely stellar with Stonksy as well. Look, that's a 2.5% gain. Let's have a look at this one. This one may have not been so good. Let's get the measure out again. Bear with me. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so not great on that one. And then let's have a look at this bad boy. That seems a good one there as well. This is on the 15-minute. You'll be able to kind of choose which ones you prefer as well. But look at the position this is in. A 5% gain there. So it called it absolutely perfect. You could even, even if it did catch it towards the top, it's still very nice there. But let's have a look at Solana. Guys, if you're wanting to use Stonksy as well, become a CSC Plus member and you get full access. But let's have a look at Sol USD. Let's go on to this. So the 15 minutes, not making any calls. Let's go to the DGen 1 minute. Let's have a look here. It's actually just gone long. So let's go long. Screw you, Wizard of Volt. We are going long today. Let's go 100 Sol long. Let's do it. Buy that there. And let's see how we end up with that one. We will catch in on that towards the end of the stream as well. What were the other meme coins? Not meme coins, what the other comments? It's all meme coins right now, guys. I will get to the meme coins, and don't you worry, my bags will go on. If you know, you know. But let's now have a look at the newsletter. Let's see what we got here. Sponsored by Trax. I believe TGE is today for Trax, so go check them out, guys. It will be in your newsletter there, but let's have a look. Bitcoin sets up for expansion. Bitcoin could be lining itself up for a test of the highs, which may lead to price discovery in the coming weeks. So Bitcoin is beginning to push towards the $66,000 region, a place where resistance was found in late September. Bitcoin must break above this level to open the door to a test of the 69,000, 70,000 zone. Yeah, we're stuck right below 66,000. So this is a key level to break through. I think, yeah, if we push past 66,000, I still think we'll struggle around the 68, getting to 69 level, but these are the levels we're looking at right now. It says here, above there, billions of dollars in liquidations lay after the numerous failed attempts to break above it over the last 7 months. If Bitcoin can garner this type of momentum and strength, a new all-time high is possible, likely leading to an explosive, expansive move. And let's have a look at what MicroStrategy are doing as well. So MicroStrategy has already broken out of its elongated range after Friday, which witnessed a big upside push. This has followed today with MicroStrategy up by over 5% pre-market. MicroStrategy may be moving before Bitcoin and depicting a possible eventuality for Bitcoin's price. If MicroStrategy is front running the Bitcoin move, the latter could see the rally continue and move towards 80,000 already underway. We also have an article about MicroStrategy as well. Let's have a look at this. So how does MicroStrategy buy their Bitcoin? So a case study conducted by Coinbase into MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy allows us to glean more insight into how and why MicroStrategy has taken the choices that they have in procuring Bitcoin. Over the past 4 years, MicroStrategy and their executive chairman, Michael Saylor, have become a poster child for adopting cryptocurrencies as an alternative store of value. So let's have a look. The process of adopting Bitcoin in June 2020, company employees approached Coinbase expressing interest in investing in Bitcoin. The company was drawn in by the properties that may make it an effective hedge against inflation, allowing it to outpace other companies as their capital is eroded by continuing inflation. Let's go a little bit further down. So the $250 purchase. Once the logic was worked out, Coinbase began the process with a small test transaction before initiating the larger transaction. The larger trade was set up using the TWAP algorithm to complete over 5 days. They remained in close contact with MicroStrategy, allowing the team to take advantage of any weakness in the price of Bitcoin to increase the buys, while slowly the transactions down when the price got too high. The significant transactions would eventually lead to the purchase of $250 million worth of Bitcoin. Every day began with a 9 a.m. call to discuss the purchase from the previous day and work out a plan for that day. These calls would continue throughout the day with updates on the buy price. MicroStrategy went on to invest an additional 175 million in Bitcoin following the success of the first trade, and they have continued to purchase it ever since. So MicroStrategy are in bed with Coinbase, guys. Let's have a quick look at the top gainers and the top losers of the last 7 days here as well. We've got Athena, ENA up there, 40%. We've got Nero, Brett, so some meme coins doing well here. Chili's gaming coin, WorldCoin, backed by Sam Altman as well. We've got Aptos here. Aptos, $10. We've seen TMG talking about Aptos a lot as well. I think a tweet recently he put Metis and Aptos. I actually had a call with TMG today. I went through my altcoin portfolio with him, and he went through his with me as well. And we spoke about a few different potentials. And Aptos was one that I don't actually own. I've traded in the past. But speaking to TMG, he was saying Aptos, if it's not in your portfolio already, Spud, take a look at Aptos. Get involved there. So I'm currently looking for an entry on Aptos. Will it push above $10 and keep going? Who knows? But I'm hoping it will drop slightly lower from where it is right now, and I will get involved there. We've got Mog Coin, also a meme coin with a cult-like following, which is on ETH at 12% for the seven days. And we've got C here, or C, however you pronounce it. We do have a little bit that I want to talk about Say, and then I also have a very new meme coin to show you guys on Say as well. So Say is battling a flip, a vital support and resistance zone on the daily time frame. This would be key to Say's structure, as the zone previously acted as strong support before flipping to resistance. If overcome, Say would have a strong base to build a rally from towards 60 cents, a 15% upside move. Above there, Say could undergo a further 20% rally into the supply zone. Supply zone goes all the way up to kind of the 70 cents range right now. Say is at just below 50 cents currently. It's had a nice up run. Let's have a look on TradingView. Bear with me, guys. I will just pull this up. Say USDT, share this tab. Let's have a quick look here. So let's go onto the 1 hour chart as well. Relatively new coin. I think Say was first put out in 2023. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But look, we can see here Stonksy is absolutely killing this chart as well, been smashing it. But yeah, if we zoom out, let's zoom out a little bit lower. We can see back in August, we had some lows of 20 cents there. So already making a nice push up. But I think say we'll see over $1 very soon. I think we've, Say's in the top 100. It's a very quick layer one, it's kind of rivaling the likes of Solana, Sui, all of these, but it's EVM compatible, which puts it ahead of a lot of its competitors, in my opinion. If we go over to Say on here, let me find it. Bear with me. Let me just type that in. Okay. Share this tab. If we look at Say, I think the ranking just within the top 100, 96 currently. Yes, the circulating supply compared to the total supply is not great. With this information, I would look at unlock periods to see when those tokens are unlocking, see if it's over a long period of time or if the unlocking will be aggressive and suppress price. So those are some of the things I look for. Let's just see in the chat what we've got going as well. We've got Hugo saying Dion is at an all-time high right now. Guys, this is the meme coin on Say that I wanted to show you. We're pumping right now, 33K. So I believe Celine Dion, funny name, was originally put on, I believe it's called like Say Pump, which is like the pump fund for the Say network. And if we look at, let's see where we can pull up. Let me find where I can look at the liquidity for will it just pull up with that again? Let me see if I can find the different liquidity on Say as well. Because from there you can see, there's not been many meme coins. Let me pull up the what it launched on, which was called Sayan.fun. Bear with me. And you can see there's really not many competition. We've seen with Tron, a lot of the early adopters, the first movers, did really well. Here we are, Sayan.fun. So you can go here, very similar to Pump.fun. They've tried copying it pretty much exactly. But look, you can see here, market cap. We go, look, Celine Dion is already in the top 6, guys. And we've got this one with a market cap of, why is it not saying market cap? Okay, 260K. Yes, it does say that. But it's in Say. So this is actually less. So say that's 30K. So it's about half. So about 100K market cap currently. Look, and Celine Dion's already, you can see her with her lovely logos out there, guys. Let me know what you think of the logos. Do you think Celine Dion looks good? Let me know in the chat. We've got Sell It Loud. Yeah, you know what? There's people always looking for opportunity, and then they're always butthurt that they miss. And we've seen it with different chains. We saw it, go from Ethereum to Solana to Tron to Sui, and I think it's Say's turn now. And I think also you've got to think about what the foundation do. They realize this is where the volume is. This is where people will start, adding Say to their EVM wallet and actually using the network, generating revenue through transactions, etc. So they want awareness. So I think they're going to get behind a few of these meme coins here, and I think Celine Dion's the one that's click into it. You can still buy through Sayan.fun, but personally, what I would do is go into Dex Screener and trade it that way. But yeah, let's have a look. Funny stuff, but it's I know I've spoken to the dev. They are actually CSE Plus members. They actually launched it while we were at Zeru Live. They've got a decent amount of supply, and they plan on doing some cool things with it. We're going to see the website coming soon. We've got the TikToks already burning away, guys. So go check it out. You can swap it on Dragon Swap, is the swap feature I wanted to show to you. I'm sharing the wrong side. Here we go. So these are some of the other tokens you can see on Say at the moment. There is a Chips. We need to take that one down. Only Chippy can be the real one as well. We've got Christian in the chat as well saying super early. This could be huge. I think the whole Say network could be huge as well. And I think these meme coins will grow with it. And if you manage to get in early, you're an early adopter of the meme coins. The first that move will benefit as well. We've got Steve. How you doing, my man? Hugo, he loves to say on Celine Dion. And what's this comment here? Bad idea token. But yeah, yeah, it's a funny one. So guys, do with that what you will. Not financial advice as always. But let's have a look back in on our Solana trade right now. We are in a profit, I believe. Let's have a look at this. Whoa, $25 profit, guys. I'm going to let this run up. I think perhaps some levels around the 156.50 level, I will set my take profit. And to the downside, perhaps if it breaks through the support down there as well. But guys, I do have a lot of interesting guests. I've got BitShaman hopefully coming on stream on Friday, and we have Eno from International Stable Currency. Me and him are going to kick back, talk everything Solana, talk shit about the ecosystem, but also talk about how to launch a DEX and the stablecoin world as well. So I look forward to bringing you those guests. That's Thursday and Friday. So Eno from ISK on Thursday and BitShaman from on Friday, hopefully as well. I do have some more alpha, some more people coming on from the people I met at Zebu as well. We've got Christian here just saying, even if it, say, got to the Sui prices, that would be awesome. Exactly. And Big Guy saying it's an AI coin. Say they use it for gaming, I believe a lot. The transaction speed. I'm still learning actually, Christian and Wizard of Old and a few of the others of the who put me on to say. I've seen it before, kind of looked into it a little bit, but I'm learning more now. So if you've got any say holders, any say maxis, let me know. I will do more research on it. We will be covering it more at Crypto Saving Expert as well, like you can see it in the newsletter today. We got Tim Tomo saying Dion won't dump as no one knows how to sell. Exactly. I think if we go over to Dion right now, just over 30k market cap, this gives everyone a very very good opportunity to get in early here. So guys, thank you for the time today. I will be leaving the trade open for now. I will be leaving my Solana trade open. I'm looking for the kind of to pop above 156, which will give me a couple $100 profit. We will then close that. And also, guys, if you're not in CSC Plus already, we do have a free month going if you use code October. We have the Mighty Block Pro. He's coming on a stream next Monday. So we will have more trading streams, but he's doing trading AMAs, trading one-to-one tuition in CSC Plus Discord. So make sure you're joining, make sure you're giving yourself the best opportunity, invest in yourself for this upcoming cycle, guys. I will see you in the Discord. I will see you on the next stream as well, guys. So take care. Lovely evening. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care.